Good morning. It's 8 a.m. Saturday. We have a huge snowstorm coming in starting tomorrow until Tuesday. So I don't know how many exciting things I'm going to be doing today, like out and about, besides grocery shopping and getting things that I need for my house. Well, I do have a four-wheel drive car. Driving through a 3-foot, 4-foot blizzard, don't really want to do that until the roads are clear. So I'm going to make sure that I have any recipe I need to make to cook for the next few days. I'm going to make sure that my shovels are out, that I have shovels in my car in case of an emergency. I'm going to be redecorating my tree because all of these lights went out, so I have new lights, and yeah, I think I'm going to put more ornaments on it. I think it needs to be more festive. Yeah, I think today's going to be a reset day. I'm just going to get things done in my house, organized, so I feel cozy in my own home and not, like, suffocated. So one thing that is really hard for me to do, like, in my home, since I work from home so much, from home, need time to relax in my home, and also do my chores. Lately, it's been really hard for me to get all my chores done and make my house perfectly clean when I've had so much work to do at my desk. It just doesn't feel like I have time to either relax. It's like I either have to choose to relax or I have to choose to clean. And if I don't clean, then it's hard to relax because then I just feel very stressed. I also just want to like show you the snow already that we have. Hold on. It looks so magical. Beautiful. This is your sign to make your bed so you feel better. So if you're watching this in the morning and your bed's not made, make your bed because you'll feel better. I have just been relaxing all day. I just got back from the grocery store a little bit ago. It's like 6 o'clock. Like, I just needed a little bit of a vlogging break, especially since I got behind with filming and editing. I literally edited almost 4 vlogs yesterday, so I just needed a break. I just got back from the grocery store, so I am making some chicken and rice and roasted veggies, and then hopefully making some like cute gluten-free like pretzel nuggets. So we'll see how those come out. And then other than that, I'm hoping to redecorate my tree because not all, but half of the lights went out, so I'm gonna just be resituating that and maybe putting some of those on. Okay, so I just made the dough, and now I'm supposed to just mix it until it's stringier, knead it. I'm gonna make my dinner while that's sitting, and then hopefully we'll have ready to bake pretzel dough after. I had to add a lot more flour than what the recipe called for, and I think it's probably because I have a different type of gluten-free flour. But I have my dough ball. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and it's supposed to rise like double its size in the fridge. So we're just gonna see what happens. I don't know why I grabbed such a large plate, but I made some honey roasted carrots and roasted chicken thighs for dinner. So yeah, taste test. Okay.
Not my best work. Normally I make them really moist, and I've been eating mostly plant-based lately, so I just don't feel like I have the same skills when it comes to roasting meat. It's still really good though. Okay, honey roasted carrots. Love those. I just got done eating dinner and it was so good, and the dough still needs to rise a little bit more, but until then, I'm gonna finally decorate my tree. Time to undecorate my Christmas tree and then redecorate it. Guys, it actually rose. So stoked. Alright. There's one nugget. 3. One thing that I've really started making time for since like COVID is baking and cooking. I really love it, and I've just had a lot more time to experiment and play around, and it's made me realize I really don't mind having a more restricted diet as long as I have time to bake and cook the things that are tasty. If these come out, I will be so freaking happy. Half cinnamon sugar, half salted, and hope that these come out. If not, I'm gonna be pretty sad. Salt Bae. Was Salt Bae a Vine thing? Was it that long ago? Alright, let's hope these little nuggets come out. My mom got me this one because she knows my favorite movie is The Polar Express. And you remember at the end of the movie where, I forget the boy's name, he gets a Christmas bell and he can hear it. It's so cute. No. Sorry. Here's the pretzel bite. I give it a, I don't know, like a 6.5 out of 10 on looks. A Pinterest blogger advertised these as gluten-free, and then in the recipe it just said sub-gluten-free flour if you eat gluten-free. And like, I feel like you have to use certain flours for different things when you bake. And I just used like a multi-purpose gluten-free flour from Trader Joe's, and it's like dry and not fluffy. I'm sad. So I think I'm gonna just go to bed, and hopefully in the morning we can wake up to some snow.